It's me again.
And happy Easter!
Happy Easter! And I hope we had an egg. It was great. And today we'll be doing is playing with
Play-Doh.
plate. Wait, I can see it.
We're playing Play-Doh.
Where'd it go? Show it.
Alright, we have pink Play-Doh. We got this from Walmart. And we got purple Play-Doh. And the last color we got yellow Play-Doh. Let's get on. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
My little brother wanted a breakfast video.
Was
So
that magic?
we will be making pancakes. Play-Doh food.
Alright, let's go.
Me? Is that me?
Okay, we will be doing eggs. Eggs. These will be eggs, the yellow. And the pink will be pancakes.
Like,
And then purple will be sausage. I don't know how this sausage will go.
great breakfast.
Go get your basket. Give me the thing.
And thank you guys. I'm 10. So hope you guys did it. Alright, let's go.
Okay, so we have this yellow. We already played with it. No one could resist the Play-Doh.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, we will be doing eggs. So I'm just gonna roll this up.
Killed it.
I'm just gonna roll this up.
Wait. Oh, yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this. And then we're just
Here,
gonna
what, one of you?
uh,
Alright, she's gonna be it.
okay. So
I'm gonna cut this.
We got
So I'm gonna cut this in pieces.
leave it right there. Okay, Fossa? Leave it.
We got the fish. We got the rubber.
Sorry, guys.
Faster.
Look, it's a flower.
Faster, start touching.
I'm sorry, guys. We need to give you a
I
here.
got
So
Play-Doh.
Fossa, don't move it, okay?
Okay, guys, so we're gonna be cutting.
We're gonna make.
Oh my sorry, guys.
What about me? What about me? Me,
guys,
me.
Here. Oh my god, sorry about that. And guys, see,
Hey, what about me? What is with me?
Stop, Fossa, stop. Stop.
cut the egg.
Oh, what are you doing?
Cut the egg like,
I already cut the egg.
yeah, cut it like more.
Okay, so we're gonna roll this up.
In the movie.
Okay, so we're just gonna flatten this down. So it looks like huevos. Okay, so
Faster.
Go!
Fasto.
I'm sorry, guys.
I'm sorry, and sorry. Can I use this?
Alright, the potato.
Maybe
It down.
I'm gonna draw a line so it looks like it was big. Okay. I don't know what is this, but it looks like eggs to me. Okay, so we're gonna put eggs.
What? I don't know. Do flatter.
Okay.
I'm gonna put
where? Flatter.
and the head.
Wait, let me see. I like this.
It goes to the.
Move so slow.
Wow, this looks strong.
Okay.
Eggy eyes.
For the pancakes, we got pink pancakes.
And we got the happy face.
But you gotta flatten them up. Like,
I gotta fill them up. Okay, we're gonna make them into butterfly pancakes. Butterfly. We're gonna do this butterflies.
You can use butterfly.
Oh God. Alright. Okay. Let's do this. He's gonna be making the pancakes. Muscular pancakes.
I might cut it into 2 pieces, so mind if I do that?
Yeah, there's no mind.
Where's the things at? Oh yeah, there it is. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Move your hand. People want to see the creation of a pancake. Who made a pancake?
Me.
Okay.
I made it.
Comment down below and leave us a like on the
We got
bottom.
the star.
And please subscribe. And if you're new here, watch all our videos that we did. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, here's the pancakes, and where are the plates?
Plate. I'm gonna go get it.
Okay, right here, I got the egg.
Yeah.
The
Do you
egg that
say
I
egg?
made.
Yeah.
Pancakes I did. You know, see? The weenies.
No.
Sausage.
Yeah, where's the purple?
Papa?
First get up. Where'd the purple go?
Found them, I think.
Oh, do you have it?
Where's the yellow then? Oh my god, Foster, did you lose it?
No.
Oh my god.
Okay, like that. And you're gonna,
No,
do
that-
it. It's gonna roll it up
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah. We rolled it up.
Oh my god, Buzz is doing it with us. And there's our dessert. Oh my god.
Wait.
I think it looks like poop. That thinks it
I-
looks like poop.
And we have
I think
two
that looks
half
like poop.
sausages right here. And let's enjoy our
Join the happy
dinner. Let's go.
Okay, where's this fork? Where's the fork? Foster, where's the fork?
Fork?
Oh my god, sorry. Sorry.
Catch some,
Oh my god.
oh my god. Catch some candy. Don't mind if I do.
Move. Move.
Oh, wait. We have